Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Of brief respite, the COVID cases and deaths have shown a gradual increase once again. India on Thursday reported 48,786 new COVID-19 infection and 1,005 deaths in the last 24 hours. They crossed the 1,000 mark after 3 days. However, in terms of the active cases, the decline continued. The official data says that there are 5.2 lakh active cases in India at the moment. The number of the tests conducted in the last 24 hours stand at 19 lakh, the ICMR updated says. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Celebrated National Doctors Day on 1st July. Express our gratitude to the medical staff or their dedicated service. However, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the day holds a special significance considering the fact how our doctors and physicians are working round the clock to help country fight the health crisis. This day reserved to honor all those doctor medical staff who have selflessly aided us in our time of need and worked tirelessly for our health. National Doctors Day was first celebrated in the year 1991, and ever since people have been saluting the self-life superheroes for their service and dedication towards humanity. July 1 marked the birth as well as the death anniversary of one of the most renowned physicians in India, Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy. He was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. He received the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, on February 4, 1961. Therefore, the day is celebrated to honor the personality. Durgapur died tragically in Mysore. The deceased was identified as Nivedita Mukherjee, 25 age. It is learned that the body of a young woman from Durgapur was rescued from the hill of Kimari near Mussoorie. Meanwhile, his friend Ankit Chaudhary has been arrested on the charge of murder. The death of a young woman has cast a shadow of mourning in the area. Nivedita's sister Antara Mukherjee said her sister went to work in beauty parlor in Delhi 2 years ago.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434
Bharatiya Marwari Yuva Manch, a pioneer in social service, expanded its organization by setting up 14 new branches in West Bengal, Sikkim province and giving them recognition. National President Kapil Lokhetia administered oath to the office bearer of the all branches online through Zoom. app and congratulated them on becoming a firm member, along with Provisional President Ashish Agarwal, General Secretary Sandeep Sharma, Organization Extension Chairman Sandeep Saragi, and other national and provisional office members and bearers, different branches. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Of November 16, 2019, Merchant slammed the statue of former Chief Minister Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy on Mankar Station Road in protest of the incident. The National Congress took up various programs including road blockage. The common people also strongly criticized this incident today on the day of the birth and death anniversary of Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy. The statue was restored by the Mankar Vidhan Chandra Roy Memorial Committee with due dignity. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Demonstration was held at Asansol City Bus Stand and premises on Thursday morning on behalf of INTTUC against the price hike of petrol and diesel. Addressing the protester, INTTUC leader Raju Ahluwalia said that the price of petrol diesel is its peak due to the wrong policy of the central government. People from all walks of life are facing problems due to this wrong policy of the central government. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Incident took place on the railway line near Dindua Ramdi village of Salanpur police station. Upon receiving the news of incident, the locals come running. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. The police commissionerate inaugurated 4 highway mobile vans for conveyance on the highway. On the other hand, a motor accident claim cell was started so that the insurance claim would not be problem in an accident. Police Commissioner Ajay Kumar Thakur inaugurated the 2 on Thursday. After this, he inspected the building located at police line. During this, DCP HQ Anushman Saha, DCP Traffic Anand Rai, DCP Central Dr. Kuldeep SS, DCP West Abhishek Modi, etc. were present. Police has also issued mail ID and number for motor accident claim. Email ID of motor accident claim cell ADPC is traffic chqadpc@gmail.com and contact number 8116604402. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Of the State Law Minister Malay Ghatak and Asansol Durgapur Police Commissioner Ajay Kumar Tagore directing action against the land mafia. Asansol North Police took action. A joint team of Kayanpur Police Outpost and BLRO led by Uttar Police Office in charge Manojit Dhara conducted a raid near Kali Mandir in Marichkota village. There are allegations of illegally filling up farmers' land. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Again, the fate of the ATM fraud cycle in Asansol. At the same time, the infamous Jamtara gang of Jharkhand become public. Asansol South Police arrested 4 members of the gang on Tuesday night, June 29. There of 4 are resident of Devghar in Jharkhand and 1 is resident of Vidyasagar. Police sources said the arrested are Sahbaz Ansari, Kamuruddin Ansari, Muhammad Abid Ansari and
Mail
Islamin
Ansari.
Ansari. The detainees were taken to Asansol court on Wednesday. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Behalf of Trimool Primary Teacher Association, masks and sanitizer were given to 4 parts. Salanpur. Masks and sanitizer were distributed among pedestrians at Rupnarayanpur. Instruction today, courtesy of Chitranjan Chakra of Trimool Primary Teacher Association. Masks and sanitizer were distributed among 200 pedestrians. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Purulia, July 1. Today at Purulia District Trimool Party Office, Bagmundi Panchayat Samiti and many supporters from BJP and Congress from Bagmundi Panchayat joined Trimool in the district Trimool office. Bagmundi MLA Susant Mato, Trimool District President Guprado Tundu and District Coordinator Sujay Banerjee gave him the party flag and made him join the Trimool.
বন্দে মাতরম অঞ্চল থেকে রাজেন্দ্রনাথ মাহাতো তিনি বিজেপির সুইসা গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের বিজেপির প্রধান, তিনিও আজকে আমাদের দলে যোগদান করছেন এবং ওর দাদা নৃপেন্দ্রনাথ মাহাতো তিনিও আজকে আমাদের দলে যোগদান করছেন এবং এছাড়াও আমাদের এই বাগমুন্ডি ব্লকের আরো অনেক বিজেপি এছাড়াও আরো অনেক কর্মকর্তা রয়েছে বিজেপি, তারাও কিন্তু আজকে আমাদের দলে যোগদান করছেন।
বাংলার জননেত্রী মমতা ব্যানার্জি জিন্দাবাদ, জিন্দাবাদ, জিন্দাবাদ। ছাত্র যুব উন্নয়ন মনি অভিষেক তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস জিন্দাবাদ, জিন্দাবাদ, জিন্দাবাদ। ছাত্র যুব উন্নয়ন মনি অভিষেক পার্টি জিন্দাবাদ, জিন্দাবাদ, জিন্দাবাদ।
বিজেপি থেকে 5 জন আজ তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসে যোগদান করছেন। আমাদের 15 জন সদস্য বিশিষ্ট গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now let us SMS of News Movement. When you see yourself in others, it is impossible to hurt everyone else. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.